Have you seen this?
Finally meeting Bigfoot Vlogs, my favorite vlogger in the wild. I never miss a
Episodes!
You the best.
So do you think you could take on 100 gorillas? Be honest.
A giant, fluffy Yeti vlogging his life experience with a GoPro. The videos are weird, dramatic, hilarious, and completely everywhere. From TikTok to Instagram to YouTube Shorts, this lonely snow beast has taken over the internet. One TikTok page posting these AI Yeti vlogs already has over 300,000 followers and is pulling in millions of views. The best part? These videos aren't real. No costume, no green screen, no crew. They're 100% generated with AI, and they look amazing. And yes, these videos are monetizable. Creators are already making money from ad revenue and more. Why are they going viral? Simple. They're funny, relatable in the strangest way, and completely different from anything else in your feed. It's parody meets survival vlog meets emotional breakdown, and it works. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own AI-generated Yeti vlog from scratch. So stick around until the end so you don't miss any step. Now, let's get started. The first and the most important step is to get video ideas. To make this super easy, I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts you can drop into ChatGPT to brainstorm your own unique, hilarious Yeti vlog concept. The link to the Google Doc is in the description below, so be sure to check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far, go ahead and give this video a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm show it to more creators who are probably also trying to make viral YouTube videos. Now, let's get back in. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below. Inside, you'll find a pre-written prompt specifically designed to help you come up with your own original Yeti vlog idea. All you have to do is copy the prompt from the doc, then open up ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit enter. What the prompt does is tell ChatGPT to generate 20 unique and creative video ideas in the white fluffy Yeti niche, each one crafted to sound like a ridiculous but oddly believable wilderness vlog. As you can see here, ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting. You instantly get a list of ideas, each with its own flavor, tone, and viral potential. Take your time reading through them. Don't just pick the first one. Look for the one that makes you laugh, gives you a visual, or sparks a, "Wait, I could totally make that" reaction. That's the one you run with. Now that we have our video idea, the next step is to generate our scene prompt. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the scene prompt I've written for you. Next, open up ChatGPT, paste the prompt in, then input the Yeti video idea you chose earlier. Just type it right into the space where it says to insert your idea. Hit enter, and watch the magic happen. ChatGPT will instantly break down your concept into multiple short, hilarious, highly visual scenes, complete with descriptions of what the Yeti is doing, where he is, how it's filmed, and what ridiculous thing he's saying out loud. It's basically storyboarding, but with way more drama and fur. These scene prompts are what you'll use to generate the actual video clips, so the more detailed they are, the better your final video will look. The next step is to generate our video clips. For this, we're going to use Google Veo 3. Click the link in the description to head over to the Veo website. Once you're there, hit Try Flow, then click Create with Flow. You'll need to sign in using your Google account. Quick and easy. Once logged in, you'll probably see a message saying you need to be a Google AI subscriber to start generating videos. Don't freak out. It's totally normal. Just go ahead and click subscribe. Here's the cool part. Your first month is free once you add your card details. And don't worry, you won't be charged unless you decide to keep the subscription past your free credits. If you're done after this project, just go back into your account later and cancel. No stress. Once you're in, click New Project, and you'll be taken to the creation dashboard. Choose Text to Video. And now we're in business. Before we start generating, adjust a couple quick settings. For the output, set the number of clips to 1. That way we don't burn through all our credits at once. You get 1,000 credits total. Then, under Model, make sure you select Veo 3. It costs 100 credits per generation, but it's worth it for the quality. Now jump back to ChatGPT and copy the entire prompt for Scene 1. Come back to Veo, paste it into the text box, and hit Generate. Now sit tight. This part might take a minute or two. Veo's doing its thing, rendering your snowy, dramatic Yeti scene with full animation and lip syncing. As you can see, our video has been generated. Now preview it.
This is fine, totally fine. Just a sentient carpet monster digging his own frosty grave because someone forgot his shovel. Again!
Look at that, a beautifully AI-generated video clip that looks straight out of a Netflix film. Once you're happy with how it looks, just click Download to save it to your device. Now, repeat this process to generate the rest of the video clips for all your scenes. The next step is to create the perfect background music for our video. And for that, we're going to use Suno. Head over to Suno and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, click the music icon and you'll land on the music creation interface. Since we don't want vocals or lyrics for this, we're just looking for a background tune to match our Yeti video. So make sure to click instrumental to keep things clean and cinematic. Next, jump back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music suitable for this video. Then hit enter, and ChatGPT will give you the perfect style of music. Copy that style description, return to Suno, and paste it into the prompt box. Give your track a title, then hit create. Now sit back while Suno works its magic. In a few seconds, it'll generate 2 original instrumental tracks based on the style you gave it. Listen to both tracks. Then download the one you prefer to your device. The final step is editing everything together into one epic masterpiece. And for that, we're using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, then click on New Project and import all of your AI-generated video clips into the timeline. Once they're in, switch the aspect ratio to 16:9. This gives you that wide, cinematic look perfect for YouTube or horizontal formats. If you notice any watermarks on your clips, don't worry. Just click on the video and stretch the frame slightly until the watermark disappears off screen. Do this for each clip to remove all the watermark. Next, we add transitions to our clips. Click on Overlays, then choose a transition style you like from the available ones, and click Apply to All so your whole video feels cohesive. Now, let's bring in the background music you created with Suno. Import it into the timeline, drag it underneath your video clips, and lower the volume just enough so it adds atmosphere without overpowering the Yeti's voice or sound effects. Now it's time to make our video even more engaging by adding captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions, and you'll be shown a bunch of caption templates to choose from. Pick the one you prefer, then click Generate, and CapCut will begin generating our captions. Once the captions are added, give the whole video a watch from beginning to end. If everything looks good, then it's time to export. Click on Export, increase the video resolution to 4K for the best quality, and download the final version to your device. Now, let's take a look at our final result.
This is fine, totally fine. Just a sentient carpet monster digging his own frosty grave because someone forgot his shovel. Again!
Welcome to Crippling Solitude Chic, where the walls are made of lies and the insulation is just my unprocessed childhood trauma.
Tonight's menu, depression consommé served with an arsal leaf, paired with vintage 2-ounce snow.
I can hear the wolves howling outside. Or maybe it's just my stomach.
I survived. Mentally? No. Physically.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments section.